Who do I have the pleasure of interviewing?
Sam.
Hi, Sam. I'm Omri.
Nice to meet you.
Are you hungry?
Slightly.
I'm hungry.
That's great.
If I looked in the fridge right now, what would I see?
Well, I literally just got off a plane, so not much.
Hi, Ken. Was I interrupting your lunch?
No. We're having breakfast too.
Oh, you're having breakfast. I guess it is. It's brunch time.
Yeah, it is brunch time.
Yeah. Literally nothing. Completely bare.
Old food that I would not want anyone to see.
But if I give you $100 cash, could I come over and look at your disgusting fridge?
Oh my God.
What if I, I don't know, came over? Would you, show me what's in your fridge?
Yeah.
So I can, come over right now and see what's in your fridge?
Sure.
Yeah?
Okay. I thought this was, no. Not right now. But maybe
That
if-
felt like it was a yes for a while until it became a no.
I realize I am busy right now.
If I gave you $100, could I come over and see what's in your fridge? Come on, Ken.
I don't know. I might have to pass on that one.
I can't. I'm sorry.
All right, Ken.
Sorry.
I'm gonna take it
Nice
back.
try. Yeah.
All right, hello. Who do I have the pleasure of interviewing?
Hi, I'm Priyanka.
If I were to peek into your fridge right now, what would I see?
You'd probably see some of my mom's cooking.
Or do you live with your mom?
No, but she lives not too far away and she always makes me a lot of food. Maybe it is a little bit strange, but me and my roommate have sides. And so I have my side of the fridge and his side
Oh
of
my
the
God,
fridge.
how strict is it? Is there a line? Is there
There's
a literal line?
There is
Really?
a line, yeah.
Could I come over and see your pretty organized, delineated fridge?
Yeah.
Yeah? You be down? You live in the area?
I do, yeah.
Oh my God. Let's go. Whoa. So we're here at Priyanka's house. I can't really believe people are letting us do this, but let's go in. It's open. Convenient. Knock, knock, knock. It's just me and 3 cameras. Hi. Oh my God. Your place. I hate it. Can I make myself at home?
Yes, why not?
So I feel like since, you're hosting me in your house, you are now the host. Mike's all yours.
Welcome to my house.
Yeah.
This is a lovely boat that my roommate got. It screams colonialism.
Priyanka, I have been waiting to own up to my side of the bet. A crisp, kind of crisp, $100,000.
Take it.
And it's time to, I'm gonna need this back for a second, see what's in your fridge. Intro music.
Woo.
Okay, but show me what's in your fridge. Okay. Talk me through this. What are we looking at?
So I mentioned to you that me and my roommate have sides. Which side do you think is my side?
Left side. This side.
No.
No?
It's this
I was
little...
actually, my second choice was right side. So.
Okay, right, exactly. Here is my mom's food. You want to try some?
I do want to try. I'm so
Okay.
glad you offered so I didn't have to ask.
Here we go.
Oh my God, what is it? What am I eating?
Vegetarian fish.
Are you gonna feed me?
Yeah, I'm gonna feed you. Why not?
Oh my God. That's delicious.
Oh, honestly, the star of this show is the hot sauce. This is my favorite part of the fridge.
Wow.
We got Louisiana hot sauce. We got some hot sauce from Mexico. We got some Indian.
You're like a hot sauce collector.
I love hot sauce.
Which one is the spiciest?
This is the super spicy one.
Okay, if you have some with me, I would like to try it.
Okay. All right, let's do it. Let's just go for it. I feel like it's running out a bit, but.
It cannot be. Oh yeah, we gotta share that. All right,
Cheers.
cheers. Thank you for having me in your home. So good. Let's see what's going on in the freezer.
Okay, let's do it.
It is stacked.
We gotta have the lactose-free ice cream because,
Absolutely, or we won't forgive ourselves later.
I have a lot of Trader Joe's items. I have some waffle fries.
Is waffle fries the god tier of French fry cuts?
I think every potato is made equally, and
Oh, did you hear that? My
And-
little potatoes, you're all equal. Thank you for watching What's in Your Fridge. Thank you for telling me what's in your fridge. Like and subscribe to us on Tastemade. Pri, thank you so much for having us in your house.
Of course.
Another question on everyone's mind. What are you gonna do with the $100?
You know, I think I'm gonna save it for my London trip in 2 weeks.
London!
London, yeah, I gotta convert it, mate. But I don't think that's British, but you know, we're gonna go with it.
You did a really good job.
Oh, thank you.
All right, thank you, bye.